Okay, after a few months of building this modified EG4 ground mount, I decided now is the time to put the panels on. My daughter and my son-in-law are coming over on Sunday, and we're going to install 9 370 watt panels that are 77 by 39. I'm going to put them up there landscaped. So it's a total of 3.2 kilowatts, and I'm showing you the skeleton of the rack so you can see and hopefully recognize some of the EG4 parts that went into this. This took 2 EG4 racks to do this. So when I'm all done, get it all hooked up, I'm going to go ahead and show you the build and the final product and how it performs. It has a range of motion here of about 9 degrees up and 40 degrees down. And it'll never go 9 degrees because the maximum, I think the chart says in June, is 15 degrees. So anyway, stay tuned. More is coming.